Let's say if you have a spreadsheet calculating your employee's weekly salary, and the weekly salary is calculated based on each individual's hourly rate, like this, as you can see, which is row number 1, and you want to keep your row number 1 confidential because you don't want people to look at it and you want to hide it. Well, there's 4 ways to hide a row. The first way would be to basically hide it. You select the row that you want to hide, let's say row number 1, and press Ctrl 9, which actually hides your very first row. That's method number 1. Method number 2 is essentially to change the color of your font. Select the row that you want to hide, and then you go to your font color and basically change it to white, and that will remove its visibility. The third way would be to use custom number formatting. So basically highlight the data that you want to hide, press Ctrl 1, which opens up format cells here, and in here click on custom and replace this word general with 3 semicolons like this, and click OK, and that will hide the hourly rate for you. I'm going to undo here. And the final way would be to use grouping. You select any cell on that row that you want to hide, then you press Shift space to highlight the whole row, and you're going to hold alternate Shift and a right arrow key on your keyboard. This opens up the grouping and basically just hide it like that. After using any of this technique to hide the row, you can then proceed to applying worksheet protection, which I've explained in another video. You can find the link to that video in the description.